What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? Today's video is featuring our miniature concert stage 2. Yeah, we've done 2 stages. Are we even talking about music today? I just thought it was a fun backdrop for the dolls that remind me of The Masked Singer, Barbie Cutie Reveal. And I'm pretty sure these will make great Halloween costumes if you're looking for something last minute. This is the Jungle series. I bought them on Amazon for $24.99 each. I did buy all 4. However, the tiger was delayed. And that's the jacket I was most excited about. But the Chelsea tiger arrived on time. This one was $17.99. I like these because there's no guesswork. I don't have to figure out any codes. I can see what I'm getting. Let's start with the toucan. This is the one I was the least excited about because you don't get fuzzy pants. Wait a minute, we get a longer jacket? I didn't know that. That's intriguing. I probably shouldn't have passed on the owl from the winter series. Because if we're being honest, I'm just gonna steal their clothes. Is that the skirt? So here's the toucan. We get an animal head, a fuzzy top that stops about mid-thigh, striped leggings, and 2 different colored shoes. And black mittens. Yeah, I'm totally taking these. When the arms are spread out, we have some wings. It's attached with Velcro, and it's removable. We also have 3 mystery bags. In the first one, we have a comb, okay, with a sponge on one side because there's probably some water play. Then we have glasses that have little stars on them and some purple shoes. In the last bag, we have a pet whose head can move, and it looks like we have some color changing effect on the eyes. Are you ready for the cutie reveal? Here we go. Oh, wow. We're getting all this long black hair. There's some color to it. This is one of my new favorite face sculpts. She looks just like Mikasa, only she's not pixelated. On some previous cutie reveals, the makeup has been a little thick around the eyes. That is not the case here. In my opinion, it is nicely done. We can see some stars in her eyes and some color change little details on the cheeks. I think warmth will get rid of that. Yep. I'm probably going to use a little nail polish remover to try to remove it permanently. But she's pretty. And look at how natural her lipstick is when she's warm. These dolls are articulated with movement at the head, shoulder. We can bend at the elbow. Yep. And she can move at the hip and bend at the knee. I would have loved to have seen a little wrist articulation. That would have been nice. And fabric undergarments. This doll's undergarments are sculpted on, so you're stuck with that permanently. Don't get me wrong, I think they are a great design. I just wish they were removable. Here are the colorful leggings. We can take the wing and place it around her waist to get a matching skirt. It is a little large at the waist and that bottom is not hemmed. Let's take the coat and flip it inside out to see the other print. This side is not fuzzy. It's soft, but it kind of reminds me of like a Barbie towel or the Barbie bedding. Here's the jacket on. According to the box, the skirt goes over the jacket, so that could be why it's a little loose at the waist. This doll has flat feet, and here she is with the sunglasses. I love her face. She is a little on the pale side. Finding a made-to-move body that matches might take a little work. This Barbie Looks doll is close, but not exact. Representing the tiger, here is the Cutie Reveal Chelsea. There are 7 surprises. We can change the outfit. We get a skirt and some shoes, a pet, and there are some color change features. The Chelsea doll comes dressed in a tiger outfit, an animal head with stitched eyes, little gloves, and some shoes, and like a one-piece outfit. The legs are pink. Wait, is that a knee joint? Yeah, as well as elbow articulation. Okay, let's remove the head to reveal the doll. Aw, she's cute and pixelated. I do like how they put her hair in the coat rather than curling it up into the mask. Under the costume, she wears a painted leotard. The little paw shoes make it easy to balance her to stand. Her outfit is not reversible. She has 3 mystery bags. In the first one, we have a skirt. Loving the rainbow animal print. And this must be the shoes. Yup, they are blue with flowers. However, I kind of like the little animal house shoes because they help her stand. And last, we have a tiny tiger pet. Aw, they're matching. I love that we're getting an articulated Chelsea. However, I would have liked for her legs to have been the same color as her skin. Up next, the monkey. Are those shorts? This is a two-tone costume with brown and pink mittens, house shoes. I call those house shoes because that's what they look like to me. I do like the brown and pink fuzzy pants. And here's the cutie reveal. Okay now, Barbie. We're getting blonde hair with pink highlights, blue eyes with little stars in them, pink lips with painted shine, lots of length with the hair. Her look is kind of magical and intense. She has pink permanent undergarments. The jacket has a banana print on the other side. It is fuzzy. I like the look of turning the jacket around and getting a fuzzy suit. In the mystery bags, we find pink and yellow biker shorts. Nice change of pace with the shorts. I believe this is the comb, and this is a pair of glasses and shoes that are 2 different colors. And here are the glasses on the doll. This must be the pet. Yep, it's a little monkey. There's a little tail in the back and the head does move. I'm getting stuffed animal more than pet, but I can totally see me using this look as PJs for my doll. Last but not least, the elephants. Wait a second. Does this not look like a piggy bank to you? Gotta save up for these dolls. Can we place a quarter in there? We can! So they're all piggy banks. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. I couldn't help myself. The Chelsea doll's elephant costume has a heart print pattern, green ears, a little bit of green on the belly. It's a heart. Little elephant feet gloves and shoes. Let's remove the head to reveal a Chelsea doll with green and blue hair. And it's pixelated. She's wearing a white leotard with leaves, has turquoise legs. She comes with green shoes with bows, a teeny tiny skirt for when she's feeling casual, and a sleeping elephant pet that looks like a stuffed animal. The Barbie has a gray and turquoise outfit with gray and turquoise hands, feet, and gray and turquoise elephant feet house shoes. Time for the cutie reveal! She has long brown hair with a teal highlight. I see freckles, brown eyes, and green eyeshadow. Her lips are red with a white painted shine. Personally, I would have liked to have seen the shine be a little more subtle on this doll. At a quick glance, my brain keeps thinking it's 2 sets of teeth. When the doll is warm, the green eyeshadow actually goes away, and the lip color becomes more of a mauve. I like that. Why couldn't the shine be softer? Her undergarments are green. The jacket has a leaf pattern on the other side. She comes with a skirt. It's a pretty cute fit. Here it is with the jacket turned around. In this mystery bag, we get sneakers. I like these. We also get green sunglasses, a comb sponge, and an elephant. These would be adorable in a doll nursery. At $17.99 each, I love that we're getting articulated Chelseas. However, I would have liked to have seen flesh tone legs. With the Barbie Cutie Reveals, we're getting well-made animal costumes. However, a little wrist articulation would have made it that much sweeter. Speaking of costumes, we might as well take a look at a few Rainbow High costume ball dolls. These were $37.44 each. I found them on the shelf at Walmart. It says special edition. There were 6 different dolls, and I picked up these 3. Look, there's a stage, so my background does go with today's video. The Rainbow Vision costume ball is nearly as fierce as the competition itself. Which school are you rooting for? Here we have Violet. Violet Willow is no stranger to juicy gossip. It's like her catnip. She just can't stay away. Her hair is pulled up into a ponytail. There is some product in it. She wears a cat mask with stitches, little crystals, and it ties with a ribbon in the back. She has a lavender faux fur stole, leather dress with a ribbon belt at the waist, fingerless gloves with crystals. Oh wow, love the nails! And fabric knee-high boots with stitches. Love those. There's a card that says you're invited with a QR code on the back. This doll also comes with a doll stand and a comb. I'm definitely getting Halle Berry Catwoman vibes with all the stitching, and she has a pearly finish to her face. Up next, Robin Sterling. We get a doll stand, hair comb, and QR code. Okay, wow! What is this? Like a glam spider queen? There's a spiderweb crown, a spiderweb gown with a blue 2-piece sewn underneath, and there's a little ring at the center. We even have little pearl spiders. I'm loving the makeup, the spider webs on the eyes, that lip color, and the nails! It looks like there is nail art on these tiny nails. Get out of here! Okay, confession. I personally feel that Violet is underdressed when standing next to Robin. No shade, I just feel like this dress is something she would normally wear with a few crystals added. And at $37, I'm kind of expecting a lot considering a regular Rainbow High doll is what, $29.99 and we get 2 outfits? The Rainbow Divas were $39.99. We got 2 outfits and a makeup cart. Just saying. Has Rainbow High spoiled me? Probably. We have some little chain straps. The web is all embroidered. There are clear sequins all over the dress. And she comes with some strappy shoes, which I know personally I will never tie. And check out the earrings. Last but not least, Bella Parker. She has a pink doll stand, pink comb, and a QR code. She is wearing a pink witch costume, which I think is very pretty. I'm seeing a pink satin witch hat with RH on the top, a little white ribbon, and an iridescent brim. Her hair is pink. We have some large curls. There is product in it and a lot of tinsel. I love the earrings. I think her makeup is lovely. However, my doll does have a little smudge on the cheek. She has a little pearl necklace. That's cute. A pink dress with lots of ruffles. And we have some crystals, little embroidered spiders with pearls. Got a little button here with a bow. Her nails are so long. I am obsessed with the Rainbow High nails. She wears lace socks and glitter heels. These are definitely fun costume looks for our Rainbow High dolls, but I just gotta know, does the fit? Check me out in Violet's costume. It's a little short. Here is Violet in a Barbie Cutie Reveal outfit. The sleeves are a little long, but I brought her out because I do love the new neck articulation that's on the more recent dolls. But personally, I also prefer a smaller head that's not shiny. So in my collection, I put the junior high heads on the Rainbow High bodies to give the dolls smaller heads. So it's time for a little switcheroo. Yeah! Welcome to the shelf, Violet. The mask no longer fits, but I'm happy because I get the nails. Here's Robin's dress on a made-to-move Barbie. I wasn't able to get the chains over the shoulders, so I left it off the shoulder. I had to use one of my Velcro extensions in the back, and it's a little baggy at the hips. But this is my favorite costume, and I'm gonna try and rock it. And I am not able to get Bella's dress to fit, but I will be giving her hands to our Stella Monroe hybrid. Wow, I'm liking the matching colors. So if Rainbow High and Barbie Cutie Reveal had a costume contest, who would win? Welcome, Dolly people, to our costume contest. I'm your host, Tanya. Let the games begin! Will you pick the monkey? This fuzzy outfit is perfect for trick-or-treating on a chilly night. Or will you be under Bella's spell? All eyes on the elephant in the room. Nikki is coming through looking oh so comfy. Or will you be caught up in Robin's web of glam? Cast your vote in the comments down below for who should win our costume contest. Aw, that was fun. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few Barbie Cutie Reveal and Rainbow High costume ball dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.